Cleaning your microwave doesn't have to be a chore. Here are 2 ways to freshen it up fast. For the CD58 model, press and hold the auto menu until you reach Preset Cleaning Program. F1 Deodorization. Press Start. For the CT56 model, press and hold the auto menu until you reach the Preset Cleaning Program. F1 Deodorization. Press Start. The deodorization function helps freshen your appliance. Another way is to slice some lemon and place it in a microwave-safe bowl. Place it in your microwave on the glass turntable. Microwave for 5 minutes. This helps loosen residue and freshen the inside of the microwave. Once complete, simply wipe down the inside with warm, soapy water.